Hi, welcome to my modifications to the Yamaha MT-07. Done a couple of things that you might like to see. First thing, radiator guards, really nice. The plastic ones don't really do much, but these are quite sexy. Hug the radiator a bit more. Even got some machining down them as well, really nice. Main modifications I want to talk about are the Nitron shock. Scott, big thanks, and the guys up at Nitron for making me up a custom shock. First one, absolutely brilliant. Transforms the bike, very bouncy at the back before, solid planted, really nice now. Can't thank them enough, did a great job. The other thing I want to talk about, or show you, is the Arrow exhaust. It's the X-Cone exhaust. This is a straight through at the moment. Should have a catalytic converter in the middle. Haven't put one in there at the moment. Not sure how loud it was going to be. You can hear it in a minute. Great exhaust, really well made. I know the Yamaha do a crabberfitch underneath. A lot of money. This is like £300 less, so the difference was able to get the shock. So really nice bit of kit. Goes together, screws on, an absolute treat, no problems whatsoever. There's another look at the shock. Beautifully made, beautifully made. I haven't put the baffle in, or I've taken the baffle out, so it's a seriously straight through pipe at the moment, which you can hear now. As I said, sounds really good. Maybe a little bit too loud. Just one thing I wanted to show you. The original exhaust. Here it is here. I just put it on the scales inside, and this little piece of kit weighs over 7 kilos, which you can really feel it. It's really a solid bit of metal. The Arrow, again, I weighed that before I put it on the bike. That comes in at just over 4 kilos, so there's a 3 kilo saving just on the exhaust. Not insignificant. Also, just wanted to show you the original shock. And again, this is this weighs easily 3 kilos, maybe even more, 3.5. It's no exotic materials in this whatsoever. It just seems to be pressed pieces of metal. So the Nitron shock, you wouldn't believe how light that is. I mean, the spring's heavy because they're all steel, but the body of the Nitron shock is unbelievably light. The only other modification I'm doing at the moment is putting the Yamaha tail tidy on with the LED blinkers. This isn't easy. Everything is, there's nothing assembled. It's all a kit of parts really. So screwing that all together at the moment. And that's got to go on. Haven't quite worked out where it's got to go yet. It's not really obvious, so just watch out if you think it's just a plug and play. It really isn't. Took me an hour just to screw all these bits together and tie up the cables, etc, etc. So all in all, a great bike. Part 2, come back in part 2. Going to get a high flow air filter putting in it. At which point probably best to get a dyno run to make sure it's not running too lean. Then we'll see what she makes. Part 3, hope to get it to Brands Hatch for a track day just on the Indy circuit. There's no much point going anywhere else. Okay, so a couple of more instalments to come of this video modifications diary. Hope you like it. Come back and check again.